Alright guys, today we're going to talk about electrical energy, and it's really important that you know the units that are required in order to use this formula. So you have to have the power in kilowatts and the time in hours if you're going to use this formula. If you have power or time in some other unit, you're going to have to first convert it to a proper unit before you can solve for electrical energy. Okay, so let's start with a problem that you may have seen in your house. So often a light bulb is a 60-watt light bulb, and say we have it on for 10 hours a day. Well, a lot of kids would be tempted to just go, oh, well, 60 times 10, 600 kilowatt hours. No, that's not correct. You have to first make this unit match that unit. How you do that is with the memory tool, King Henry Died Unexpectedly Drinking Chocolate Milk. I'm starting with watts. Watts is my base unit, so I will start here. And I'm going to be converting it to kilowatts. So my fingers move 3 times to the left. That means I will move my decimal 3 times to the left. So 60 watts equals 123.06 kilowatts. Now I can take this number and plug it in. Energy, electrical energy equals power times time, and the power I'm going to plug in is 0.06, and that is by 10 hours. So that means my electrical energy is 0.6 kilowatt hours. Now you may be asked a question like, how much is this going to cost me to run this light bulb? It's a 60-watt light bulb for 10 hours. Well, to solve that, we're going to need yet another equation. And that equation says that basically the cost of the electricity that you are going to get charged from the electrical company, that cost is equal to the number of kilowatt hours times there's a cost per kilowatt hour. Okay, in Connecticut, most often that's about 8 cents. Okay, so in this case here, we're going to have the kilowatt hours was 0.6. So that means my overall cost, it would be 0.6 times 0.08. which is a little bit over so to run my 60-watt light bulb for 10 hours, it will cost me a little less than 5 cents. Okay, if I did that every day though, for 365 days a year, then it's going to end up costing me $17.52 to run this light bulb for 10 hours every day over the cost of a year. So that is the basic idea behind the math for power. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.